The bad news is that time flies. The good news is that you are the pilot. Well, we all know that time once lost cannot be found again, and there must be many of you who must be thinking right now that भाई 2 महीने थे lockdown के and I've done absolutely nothing except for binge watched a lot of series and played a lot of online games, and then suddenly अब जाके realize हुआ है कि it's time now to face reality and get back to work or get back to finding a job, and you've suddenly realized that I could have done so much in these 2 months. Now what? Well, just like that pilot, I think it's time that we all take that joystick in our hands and give a way and a sure way direction to that plane. And that plane is your flight to success. How will you do that? If you are someone who is going through this thought process, I'm going to give you 3 important skill sets that an employer looks for in his employee. Also, I'm going to leave you with 3 simple tips that you can follow to reach this goal. What qualifies me to give you this is your question. Well, my experience of almost 2 decades as a manager in aviation and corporates has taught me and shown me that these are the key important things. So hi everyone, I'm Shruti Clarence. I'm the first Indian winner of Mrs. Universe Confident title. I'm also an image consultant and a soft skills trainer, and like I told you earlier, I come up with about 2 decades as a manager with aviation and BPO industry. So what are those 3 skills that we were talking about, right? Well, I will come to those skills. The very first thing that I would urge each one of you to do is to go within yourself and do a self-assessment, right? If you can't go out, go within. Use this time, or the little time that we now have on hand, to understand what your aspirations are, what your dreams are. Turn your dreams into goals, put timelines. Do all of this study first, instead of just following what your peers and your friends are doing just because they are doing an X course and you want to go and join that course. I think this is the time to sit and assess what actually drives you, what is the motivation, what is your passion. Find that out. That's my point number 1. Now point number 2, once you have found these, you will definitely find your strengths, and what will you do with these strengths is hone them, hone your skills. Use the time to do this. If you have faced a challenge in certain skill sets, and like I was telling you, what are those skill sets that employees look for? Well, number 1 is your confidence. I think that is something that is required in whichever field, whichever job profile that you are in. So work on your confidence level, work on your communication, right? If you face and you feel that a language has been a challenge for you, use this time to hone your language skills, and definitely it helps in whichever area, whichever field that you are in. Also, how about soft skills? And research has shown that these are the key skills that employers look for in his employee, and definitely soft skills is something that we need to work upon, because this is something that has not really been touched upon in while we were doing our academics. So the key important things: work on your confidence, your communication, your soft skills. Now when I talk about soft skills, it's an encompassment of your appearance, your grooming, your etiquette, your emotional intelligence. Understand where you are at that, because when you step into the employment zone, that is going to be really, really essential. So while now that you have this limited time in hand, don't just watch the clock. Do what it does. Keep going.